Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to do a makeup in winter season. Most of the people apply makeup in a wrong method, especially in winters. So today I'm going to tell you how to apply makeup in winters in the right way and with the right products. This look I have created in this video. Winter, I usually apply this type of makeups in my winter seasons. So yeah, let's begin the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about the products which you can use in a right way. First I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm using this Nivea soft cream. I'm taking this much of cream and I'm going to mix it with this Vaseline jelly. Now I'm mixing both for full. It keeps your face hydrated and moisturized for a full day. I'm applying all over my face and neck. Just gently press it all over the face and massage. Not massage, like apply smoothly. Apply well under your eyes. Now leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. In winter, pick your products mostly in cream based. If you pick like a matte or powder based, then it will dry your face very quickly and your makeup will crack soon. Today mostly I have picked a cream based product. Next I am going to apply a primer. For primer today I am going to use a Maybelline Fit Dewy Smooth. This is not a matte, it gives a dewy smooth finish. So I am taking this much of primer. I think it's too much. So let's apply. Now my face is looking too much of shiny and oily, but it's alright because it's a winter season. It will absorb on your skin. After applying a primer, give some time to settle down on your skin. So I'm leaving it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to apply color corrector on my uneven skin. For orange corrector, I'm going to use this purple palette. So this is a perfect one for this winter season. I'm taking this orange corrector. Actually, I have a lots of uneven skin around my mouth and under eyes, and here I'm having lots of pigmentation. So I'm going to hide these pigmentations with the corrector. So let's see. Okay, now I have covered my pigmentation areas with this corrector. Now I'm going to dab some compact powder on my orange corrected area because my skin is too oily. If I leave it like this, means it will maybe remove when I am going to apply a foundation. So before that I am going to set my orange corrected area with this compact. Mine is too oily, so I am going to set this. Today I am not going to apply a foundation. I am going to apply this LA Girl Pro BB Concealer Cream. I think LA Girl Pro BB Cream. This is in shade Deep. Let's see how it works. Sorry, my camera was stuck in between the video. So I have applied a double coat of this BB cream, and I have applied right now is a concealer. This is from the brand NY Bay. You can use this as a concealer, foundation or contour. Actually this one is a contour stick. It looks like this, and this is in shade Toffee. This is the perfect exact shade for my skin. So now I'm going to blend this with my beauty blender. And finally, I'm going to set my face with the compact. The compact which I'm going to use today is a matte one, because we have already used lots of dewy finish products and lots of moisturizer. My skin is too oily, so I'm going to set my face with the compact with this brush. I am going to use this beauty blender to set my face. The brush is not perfect to set this compact on my face, so I am using this. I have done with my compact. Now I am going to apply a liner in off screen. Yeah, I have done my eyes in off camera. You can see this eye makeup on Instagram. This is my Instagram page. You can check it out from there. I'm going to moisturize my lips before going to apply a lipstick. This is from the Sugar brand. This lip gloss shade 07 Bramble. It gives a little slightly pinkish tint. I'm going to apply this highlighter, illuminator highlighter. This is from the brand Nivea. It looks like this. I think I have applied a lot of highlighter. Let's blend it well. Now blush. For blush, I'm going to use this Blue Heavens orange blush. I think this is the orange blush. I think this is in shade 505. I don't know where it is. No, this is in shade 503. Diamond blush on. It has some shimmery particles in this blush, so I'm going to use this with the help of this powder brush. Now I'm going to apply a lipstick. For lipstick, before that I'm going to apply this lip liner. This is from the local brand. I have bought this from the drugstore. This is Nivea Runway. I have chosen this lipstick because it has argan oil. It is very good for your skin. This is the shade which I'm going to apply today. The shade name is Transport. Done. Even though you want some glossy look, means you can apply a Vaseline over your lips, amount of Vaseline, and warm it and apply like this. Slightly dark. Hi guys, this is my final look I have created with these cream products. My main suggestion for you is to apply a cream based products in winter season. Then only it gives a complete finishing look and neat look on your face, and it doesn't damage your skin. It doesn't looks freaky or very dry. If you apply a good moisturizer to hydrate your skin, then your makeup stays for a long time and it looks very clean, neat, and natural effect on your skin. So yeah, this is my way of applying this makeup. You can also try these products in this winter. Bye bye. See you on next video. Bye.